With the help of reversal pattern, you can understand that trend is changing and you can save your profit. So in today's video, I'm going to deep dive in reversal pattern. Hi, I'm Sanjeev Kumar. Welcome to your own channel, Invest with Sanjeev KMR BGP. Just I'm sharing the mind map. This is the mind map for reversal pattern. Actually, last Saturday, I have shared you one video. I have uploaded one video and I discussed in that video about chart pattern. There are mainly three types of chart pattern. One is reversal pattern, second is continuation pattern, and third is bilateral pattern. Today I am going to discuss about reversal pattern. So at first, introduction. What are reversal pattern? Reversal patterns indicate a potential change in trend direction. Earlier, I didn't know about reversal pattern and what problem, what challenge I was facing. Just I'm sharing you. Actually, I was following uptrend. After breakout, uh, I usually made first run. Okay, and like share price is in uptrend, it is going upside, 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 upside. From a certain place it start moving down. Okay, so here I am making good profit because I didn't have any knowledge about pattern. What happened with me, I lose my profit. From here downtrend starts, but I didn't have any idea because I didn't know about chart pattern or reversal pattern. Now I can understand what is the use of chart pattern and I can make the decision according to pattern. So with the reversal pattern, we can understand that our bullish pattern is going to bearish or bearish pattern is going to bullish. And one more thing, these patterns help traders identify trend reversal early and take profitable trading decision. I hope it must be clear. Now, second point, types of reversal patterns. There are mainly four types of reversal pattern. One is head and shoulder pattern, second inverse head and shoulders, third double top double bottom, and fourth triple top triple bottom. Today I am going to discuss about head and shoulder patterns. Next Saturday I will discuss inverse head and shoulder. Next to next double top double bottom, then triple top triple bottom. Head and shoulder pattern gives us signals a bearish reversal, and this one is the one of the most reliable reversal pattern in technical analysis. Now we understand how it forms. This is the formation. You can see here, this is the uptrend line, and from this point selling pressure started and it moved to here. From point 2, there is some buying. Someone is here to buy the share. So it moves up from point 2. And now it crossed the line of point 1 and it reached point 3. From point 3, again selling pressure started and it moves down. Okay. And you can see here from point 4, you can draw a line from point 2. So from point 4 again, it moves started upside. And it became, and from here, from point 5, again selling pressure and it is going downside. Now you can understand here, you can see that this is the point 1, you can say this is the left shoulder. Okay, and this point 5 is like a right shoulder, and this is like a head, left, right shoulder. Okay, left shoulder, price rises, then falls, then left shoulder creates head. When from here it moves up, it creates head, a higher peak form, all time high, then falls again. Right shoulder, a lower peak form confirming weakness. And when you draw a line from point 2 to point 4, this is called neckline. And when share price goes down to this neckline, this is the downtrend signal. You can assume that downtrend can start from here, but sometime it bounce back, and you can see that 2 or 3 or 4% it move up, but sometime again it will go down. When it will go down, this is the confirmation of downtrend signal. But one thing also I want to clear, that in chart, in trading view or in any website, chart will not be like the same this picture, because in chart will not form like this point. Okay, this form, after then you will see the chart pattern, candle pattern, then downtrend. I am showing here. You can see this is the thing. Almost same figure, but some difference. This is not almost like this point to point. Uptrend, then there is some consolidation, then downtrend, again reversal, it makes head, again downtrend. This is the neckline, this is right shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder, head, neckline, breakout neckline, almost same. So you will, one more thing, here you can see that this point and this point is at the same level, but it is not necessary. Sometime you see that this is not in the same. In here also you can see this point is here and this point is below from this point. So you can draw the neckline from this point to this point. This is neckline. I hope this is clear. If you found this video useful, please press the like button, and if you have any query, any question, mention your every question in comment box and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.